Welcome back to Easy Talk English Channel. Today, we have a funny and surprising story about a tourist who accidentally joins a wedding. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this natural English conversation between John and Emma. Hey Emma, how's your day going?
Pretty good, John. I had a very lazy morning today.
Honestly, lazy mornings are amazing.
I know. I made coffee, sat by the window, and watched people walking outside.
That sounds peaceful.
Yeah. What about you?
My morning was kinda strange.
Oh, strange how?
Well, I met this tourist yesterday and he told me the funniest story.
Really?
Yeah, he accidentally joined a wedding.
Wait, what?
I'm serious.
Okay. You need to explain the story right now.
All right, so this guy was visiting a small town for vacation.
Mm-hmm.
He was walking around, taking pictures, exploring the streets, normal tourist stuff.
Yeah.
Then he heard music coming from a big building.
Oh, no.
Exactly. He thought it was a festival or some public event.
That already sounds dangerous.
So he walks inside very confidently.
Like he belongs there.
Yes, that's the funny part. He smiled at people, waved at them,
No way.
and everyone smiled back because they thought he was a guest from the bride's side of the family.
Oh my gosh.
Meanwhile, the bride's family thought he came with the groom's family.
And the groom's family thought he came with the bride's family.
Exactly.
That is hilarious.
So nobody questioned him.
Honestly, sometimes people are too polite to ask questions.
Very true.
Especially at weddings, everybody's busy.
Right. People are running around, taking photos, carrying flowers, talking loudly.
Weddings are chaos.
Beautiful chaos.
True.
Anyway, this tourist suddenly finds himself sitting at a table with strangers.
Did he realize it was a wedding yet?
Not immediately.
Seriously?
He thought maybe it was some cultural event with free food.
Free food always tricks people.
It's powerful.
So what happened next?
A woman came to him and said, "Thank you so much for coming."
Oh no.
And he replied, "Of course, I'm very happy to be here."
He still had no idea?
Nope.
Wow.
Then music started playing and everyone stood up.
Ah, the wedding entrance.
Yes, the bride walked in wearing a beautiful white dress.
That's when he finally understood.
Exactly. He suddenly realized, oh, this is not a festival.
That must have been so awkward.
Apparently, he wanted to leave immediately.
I would.
But then people started talking to him.
Too late now.
One older man asked, "How do you know the groom?"
Oh, no.
And the tourist panicked.
What did he say?
He said, we met a long time ago.
That is such a terrible answer.
I know, very suspicious.
A long time ago, that could mean anything.
Exactly.
Did the old man believe him?
Apparently, yes.
Wow, lucky guy.
Then another person handed him a drink.
At that point, he was officially part of the wedding.
Pretty much.
Honestly, I kind of love this story.
Me too.
Really?
Yeah, he said the food was incredible.
Of course, he mentioned the food first.
Priorities.
What kind of food did they have?
He mentioned roasted chicken, rice, vegetables, fresh bread.
Okay, now I'm hungry.
Same.
Weddings always have good food.
Not always.
True. I once went to a wedding where the cake tasted like refrigerator.
What does refrigerator taste like?
Cold sadness.
That is the funniest description ever.
I'm serious. It tasted old.
That's terrible.
Yeah, everybody smiled politely while eating it.
Classic wedding behavior.
Exactly.
Anyway, back to the tourist.
Right.
So after dinner, music started again.
Dancing time.
Yes. And suddenly, a little kid grabbed his hand and pulled him to the dance floor.
That's adorable.
He said he didn't know what to do.
Did he dance?
Oh, yes.
No way.
He said everybody was clapping and cheering.
Honestly, weddings can be very welcoming.
That's true. People are happy. They want everyone to enjoy the moment.
I love that feeling at weddings.
Me too. Even if you don't know many people, you still feel included.
Exactly.
Have you ever been to a really memorable wedding?
Yes, actually.
Tell me.
A few years ago, my cousin got married outside near a lake.
Oh, that sounds beautiful.
It was, but something crazy happened.
What?
Right during the ceremony, a goose started attacking people.
A goose?
Yes.
Why are geese always angry?
I don't know. This goose was terrifying.
What did it do?
It started chasing the wedding photographer.
Oh my gosh.
And the photographer was running while still holding the camera.
That sounds like a movie scene.
Everyone was screaming and laughing at the same time.
Did the goose ruin the wedding?
Not really. Honestly, it made the wedding more memorable.
I would never forget that.
Same.
Weddings always have unexpected moments.
Always.
I once been to a wedding where the groom fainted.
What?
Yep.
Was he okay?
Yeah, he was just nervous and hungry.
Poor guy.
He stood up 5 minutes later and said, "Can we continue?"
Honestly, that's kind of sweet.
Everyone clapped for him.
I feel bad for laughing.
Same, but he laughed too.
Good.
So back to the tourist story.
Right.
I'm still amazed nobody discovered him.
Ah, wait. Someone finally did.
Ah, there it is. Near the end of the wedding, the bride walked over and asked him quietly, "I'm so sorry. Who are you?"
That's officially funny.
And he decided to tell the truth.
Good choice.
He explained that he was a tourist and accidentally entered the wedding.
How did she react?
He said he stared at him for a few seconds.
That must have felt very long.
Very long.
Then what?
Then she started laughing.
Oh, thank goodness.
She thought it was hilarious.
Honestly, I would laugh too.
And get this,
What?
she told him to stay until the end.
Aw, that's actually so nice.
Right?
That says a lot about the family.
Exactly. Very warm people.
Did he take photos with them too?
Yes.
No way.
There are actual wedding photos with this random tourist smiling in the background.
Imagine showing those pictures years later.
Who's that guy?
We have no idea.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
The tourist said it became one of his best memories of his life.
I believe it.
He said he felt strangely connected to everyone by the end of the night.
You know, travel can be like that sometimes.
What do you mean?
Sometimes you go somewhere new and strangers suddenly become part of your story.
Wow, that's actually beautiful.
Thanks.
It's true though.
I think moments like that remind us people can be kind.
Yeah, even when things are awkward or unexpected.
Exactly.
Honestly, if a random tourist accidentally came to my wedding, I'd probably let them stay too.
Same. Unless they ate all the cake.
Then they must leave immediately.
Absolutely.
You know what's funny?
What?
I think the tourist enjoyed the wedding more because it was unexpected.
Oh, definitely.
There's something exciting about random adventures.
Yes, those unplanned moments become the best stories later.
Very true.
Like getting lost in a city and finding a cute little cafe.
Or missing a train and meeting interesting people.
Exactly.
Travel never goes perfectly.
And honestly, that's the fun part.
I agree.
Although accidentally joining a wedding is a pretty extreme example.
A little bit.
Imagine going home and telling your friends.
They probably wouldn't believe you.
I wouldn't.
Same.
Did the tourist ever talk to the groom?
Apparently, yes. Near the end, the groom shook his hand and thanked him for coming.
That's so funny.
And the tourist said, "Thanks for having me."
Technically true.
Technically.
You know what I like most about this story?
What?
Nobody got angry.
Yeah,
People could have reacted badly,
that's true.
but instead they chose kindness and humor.
And that completely changed the experience.
Exactly.
That's actually a really nice lesson.
Sometimes life becomes better when we relax and laugh a little.
I need that reminder sometimes.
Me too.
I worry about small things too much.
Same here.
But stories like this remind me that imperfect moments can become happy memories.
Very true.
Wow, we got deep at the end there.
A little emotional.
That's okay.
So, if you accidentally walked into a wedding tomorrow, what would you do?
Honestly,
Yeah,
I'd probably panic first.
same.
But if everyone was friendly, maybe I'd stay for a little while.
For the free cake?
Mostly for the cake.
I knew it.
What about you?
I'd probably help decorate tables so people think I belong there.
That's smart.
Then I'd quietly leave before anybody notices.
Meanwhile, I'd be dancing with strangers.
That sounds accurate.
So guys, today we learned something important.
Yes, be careful when following loud music,
And always confirm if it's a public event.
especially if people are wearing fancy clothes.
Exactly.
But also don't be afraid of unexpected moments.
Sometimes they become the best memories.
Absolutely.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this funny English conversation.
And we hope it helped you practice listening and speaking English naturally.
See you next time on Easy Talk English Channel.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!